Rome did not win because its soldiers were larger or braver. Many ancient armies had brave men. Rome won because it made one structural decision that changed how an army moved. Most ancient forces traveled like moving towns. Wagons carried grain, animals hauled tents, camp followers stretched behind the column. A baggage train could extend for miles. If it slowed, the army slowed. If it was attacked, the army stalled. Strategy bent around supply carts. Speed was limited by wheels. In the late 2nd century BC, Rome faced mobile enemies in North Africa and Europe. Jugurtha avoided fixed battles. The Cimbri and Teutones moved unpredictably. A slow army was a reactive army. Gaius Marius changed the equation. He standardized the burden. Each legionary carried his own equipment: weapons, armor, cooking gear, entrenching tools, rations, personal kit. The load may have reached 60 to 100 pounds depending on campaign and sources. They carried it on a forked pole called a furca. The pack was called the sarcina. Other soldiers mocked them as Marius's mules. It sounded like an insult. It was a redesign. Now the legion did not depend on a fragile convoy. A Roman column could march 15 to 20 miles in a day, arrive near dusk, then immediately build a fortified camp. Every night, ditch, rampart, stakes, order. This was not occasional, it was routine. That routine mattered more than heroics. If a baggage train was captured, many ancient armies collapsed. If a Roman unit lost supplies, each soldier still carried the system with him. Grain, tools, equipment. The bottleneck was gone. Mobility stopped being constrained by wagons and became defined by men. That shift changed strategy. Roman forces could move across rough terrain where carts struggled. They could reposition faster. They could recover from disruption without waiting for resupply columns to regroup. Speed became control. Control became advantage. This was not about eliminating burden. Rome did not make war lighter. It redistributed weight across the unit. When every soldier carried part of the structure became harder to break. That decision shaped Roman campaigning for generations. It altered logistics, discipline, and the rhythm of expansion across the Mediterranean. The full arc, including how this reform affected later legions and Roman politics, is covered in the book linked below. Rome did not remove the weight, it learned how to carry it.